Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Emergent AI on its review. So, Emergent AI is basically trying to replace a big chunk of what a full development team normally does. Now, instead of dragging blocks around or writing back-end logic yourself, you explain your app in an idea in plain language, almost like chatting with a developer. And the platform's AI agents generate the front end, back end, database, and even handle deployment. Now, that's the part that gets a lot of attention in reviews from tech blogs and even testers out there because it's not just a visual markup tool. People are generally surprised that it spits out real editable code that you can export and take elsewhere. Now, a lot of founders and indie builders say the speed is what makes Emergent stand out. So, according to hands-on reviews on host advice or even on Vitara AI, now going from idea to a working app can take hours and weeks, and that's especially appealing if the goal is to launch an MVP fast or test an idea without hiring developers right away. Now, people also like that you're not locked in since you own the code and can move it to GitHub or your own hosting later. Now, where the tone starts to shift is when people talk about cost and stability. Now, just pilot reviews here and even Reddit threads are pretty clear that Emergent runs on a credit based system, and those credits can disappear faster than expected. People mention that even small changes or rebuilds eat up credits, and once projects get more complex, costs can climb quickly. That's why some users feel the free tier is more of a demo than something you can actually build a serious app on. Several Reddit posts here describe the platform as powerful but unpredictable when pushed beyond simple projects, with occasional bugs or rebuild issues that requires more courage to fix. Now, another thing that comes up often is reliability. Now, while many people successfully ship working apps, others mention that the AI sometimes misunderstands instructions or builds logic that technically works but isn't optimized or clean. So that's not unique to Emergent. So but users point out that you still need a basic understanding of how apps work to guide the AI properly. Otherwise, you end up burning credits fixing things after the fact. So when people ask whether Emergent AI is the best AI app builder right now, while the overall sentiment is nuanced. Now, reviews from founders and solo builders tend to say it's one of the most capable tools available if speed and automation matter most. Now, at the same time, user feedback on Trustpilot and even Reddit makes it clear that it's not cheap shortcut and not always predictable, especially for larger or more complex apps. Now, what's the general takeaway here? So, from real users, it's that Emergent works best when you treat it as a fast launch tool rather than a magic replacement for all development skills. Now, if the goal is to quickly turn an idea into something real and testable, well, many people feel it delivers. And if the goal is long term, complex production apps on a tight budget, well, a lot of people or viewers here say expectations need to be set carefully. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.